Hi, good morning one and all. I'm Vishal. So I'm here to explain about portable RF emitter for accurate standardization. So here we go. The process and analyzing of radar echoes has been developed by Dunford Hatfields Limited and installed in the Radio Astronomy Laboratory of Sheffield University. So, here we can claim to be the only one of its kind in the world. The machine should put Sheffield University among the leaders in this field, although workers at Bradfield have been studying meteors for many years. Analysis of radar echoes, radio waves reflected from the ionized trail left when a meteor burns on entering the Earth's atmosphere is time consuming and arduous. So the new instrument will record on magnetic tape basic characteristics of radar echoes such as magnitude, time of occurrence, and range of reflecting trail. Additional facilities which allow showers of meteors to be studied in detail and sporadic influence of meteor particles of particles over the year to be measured. Information can also be gained on the rate of decay of meteor trails and their distortion by winds in that region. The equipment is the fruit of cooperation between Dunford Adfields and Sheffield University. Knowledge of the origin, special density, and special structure of meteors. So over 50 different metal and metal ceramic combinations have been made by engineers. So using new high energy rate forming and powder metallurgy techniques. By this method, while dissimilar materials can be graded into one another, so that there may be a variation of the from 100% of one material to 100% of one material to 100% of other material over a distance of up to several inches. The combinations so far demonstrated include aluminum, titanium, stainless steel, tungsten, and ceramic metal, and then the advantages claimed over other powder metallurgy and joining techniques are so stress connection, concentration, and other incompatibilities minimized by using impact pressures up to 40,000 lb to lower process temperatures as required, preventing undesirable material interactions. Wider selection of materials may be joined. Battle Northwest claimed that although certain limitations exist, the technique offers the possibility of making materials with near theoretical densities and varying thermal, chemical, mechanical, and electrical properties in either longitudinal or radial directions. So, portable RF emitter for accurate standardization. An engineer at the US Department of Commerce National Bureau of Standards has developed a small portable radio frequency emitter as a secondary standard transfer high accuracy RF current measurements from a central standards laboratory to industrial and scientific users. So, the emitter consists of a silver elliptical cylindrical reflector containing a heater along one focus and a sensitive thermopile along the other. So the DC output from the thermopile is proportional to the RF input current to the heater. The advantages of this method are that the emitter is compatible with a 50 coaxial transmission line. There is inherent electrical isolation between the RF and DC circuits. The shielded construction eliminates RF radiation, and the unit compensates for ambient and self-heating temperature changes. So, the prototype NBS emitter covers the current range of 0 to 5 to 50 amperes with corresponding DC outputs of 100 microvolt. Measurements can be made over the frequency range 0 to 1 gigahertz. The accuracy of the instrument is unaffected by RF connectors, transmission line impedance, or standing wave ratio. So we can see the diagram here, which we use heater, thermopile, and potentiometer. So the diagram cross section of NBS RF emitter. Here we can see thermopile, focus, elliptical cylinder, reflecting surface, focus, and heater. So a data fair 69 Marconi Elliott Computer Systems introduced a new range of low-cost data display terminals. The Video Data 4000, which is claimed to be the first in the UK to use large-scale integration. The terminal is a self-contained desk-mounted unit with integral typewriter, keyboard, data storage, character generation, and data transmission interface to UK Post Office standards. It provides high-speed, real-time access to a computer with full text editing, transmission control, and error correcting facilities at a price that can be well below $2,000 per unit. So, as much of the data displayed on a cathode ray tube display is tabular with a large portion of the information fixed. A lot of transmission time can be wasted in retransmitting fixed data from the terminal to the computer and back again. In the Video Data 4000, a saving in transmission time is achieved by restricting the interchange of material between terminal and computer to new information. A traffic reduction of as much as 90% can be obtained as a result. The efficiency with which expensive data communication links are used is increased, and more remote terminals can be operated over a given transmission circuit. The store in the new terminal uses an array of 256-bit metal oxide semiconductor shift registers arranged in a ring configuration with the stored information circulating continuously. So, a machine developed by English Numbering Machines Limited to capture transaction data at the selling point was demonstrated recently by the GPO's National Data Processing Service at Data Fair 69. The main feature of the device is a small magnetic tape cassette with a capacity of 12,000 characters. Transaction details are fed into the device by means of a numeric keyboard, and in addition to being recorded on the tape, recorded on a passbook or document and visually displayed. There are safeguards against errors, including two-check digit verification systems, and a program ensures that the operator follows a pre-selected sequence. So here, in operation, a fresh cassette would be inserted at the start of the day and at the end of the day taken to a data transmission center, from where information would be transmitted through a telephone by, we have seen about the portable RF meter. We have seen about the portable RF meter, a meter which it is experimental, portable radio frequency emitter as a secondary standard to transfer high accuracy RF current for central standards laboratory tools and scientific errors. So, By this, we thank you so much.